Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. We are given the sum of the series 1 3 by 5 whole square plus 2 2 by 5 whole square plus 3 1 by 5 whole square. That can be directly written as 8 by 5 whole squared plus 12 by 5 whole squared plus 16 by 5 whole squared plus 20 by 5 whole squared, and so on, right, for the first 10 terms. If you want to write this in terms of n, what we can do is Tn will be, so they'll be divided by 5 square in the bottom. Then we can see this is 8 squared, 12 squared, 16 squared, right? So this is basically 1, 2 and 3, but it's rather 2, 3 and 4 all multiplied by 4. So what we have is 4 times, the first term is 2, the second term is 3, the third term is 4. So we'll take n plus 1 and this whole square. This is the nth term, and we need to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So that will be, we can just get 4 squared by 5 squared, that is 16 by 25, multiplied by sum n is equal to 1 to n of n plus 1 whole squared. So this is the answer, and we can just write this as 16 by 25 times the sum of n is equal to 1 to 10 n square plus 2n plus 1. This turns out to be 16 by 25 times the sum of the first n square terms can be written as n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 times the sum of the first n terms will be n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2, so this plus sum of the first 1 terms will be n. This turns out to be 16 by 25 times 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. Now n is equal to 10 plus 10 into 11 plus 10, which is 16 by 25 times, this is 7 and this is 2 and this is 5, so 5 into 7, 35 into 11 and 10 into 11, so it's 45 into 11 plus 10, which is 16 by 25 into, this will be 450 plus 45, 495 plus 10 is 505, and we are given that this is equal to 16m by 5. So 16 and 16 cancel, this gives me 5, this cancels with this and gives me 101. So what we get is m is equal to 101, which means the final answer is option 2. This completes the solution. Thank you.